So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that find all integral solutions to the equations. So we have given one equation like x square plus 1 multiplied by y square plus 1 plus 2 times x minus y multiplied by 1 minus xy is equal to 4 times 1 plus xy. So this equation we have. So we have to find the all integral solution of this equation. So let's say how we can solve this. So first I write the equation like x square plus 1 multiplied by y square plus 1 plus 2 times x minus y multiplied by 1 minus xy is equal to 4 times 1 plus xy. So now let multiply these two terms. So it will become like x square y square plus x square plus y square plus 1. And this thing is as it is, and this part will become like 4 plus 4xy. So now if I take 4xy to the left hand side, so there is minus 4xy in the left hand side, so I will divide this in two parts like minus 2xy and minus 2xy. So we have one term of x square y square and 1 minus 2xy, and 1 is coming from here. So this is one whole term. Other we have like x square and y square, and this one more minus 2xy, so we have this, and this is as it is from the previous calculations. This is as it is, and here is 4. So now you can see that this we can write as xy minus 1 whole square. This thing we can write as x minus y whole square, and this thing is as it is. Just I write this in this way, minus of xy minus 1 just here. So this thing is as it is, and here is 4. So now you can see that I can write this thing as one term is this, second term is this, and there is minus of 2ab. You can easily see that. So this will become like xy minus 1 minus of x minus y whole square, and it is equal to 4. So this is becoming one complete square. So now there are two possible things, like this expression can be equal to plus minus of 2. So if you simplify this, it will become like xy minus 1 minus of x and plus of y, and you can write this whole thing in this way, like x plus 1 multiplied by y minus 1. So it will become like xy plus y minus of x minus 1, which is this, and it is equal to plus minus of 2. So now there are two possible cases, like this value, if it is equal to plus 2, then what are the possible integral solution? So the integral solution is like this can be 2 multiplied by 1, because x is an integer, so x plus 1 is also an integer, and and y is an integer, so y minus 1 is also integer. So we want to have two integers whose multiplication is 2. So what are different possibilities? Like this can be 2 and this can be 1. This can be minus 2, this can be minus 1, this can be 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. So there are four possibilities. So now you can solve for each possibility. Like if we solve for first possibility, it will become like 1 comma 2. You can solve that and it will become like 1 comma 2. In this possibility we have minus 3 comma 0. Similarly in this possibility you have 0 comma 3, and in this possibility you have solution like minus 2 comma minus 1. So we are getting four solutions from here. And similarly you can solve for this equal to minus 2. Previously we solved for this equal to plus 2. Now again this is an integer and this is an integer, so what are different possibility? Like x plus 1 can be 2 and this can be minus 1, this can be minus 2 and this can be 1, this can be 1, this can be minus 2, and this can be minus 1 and this can be 2. So from here if you solve, it will come like 1 comma 0 solution. Here you can solve, it will come like minus 3 comma 2. Here you solve, it will come like 0 comma minus 1, and here you solve, it will come like minus 2 comma minus 3. So four solution we are getting from here. So from previous calculation we get 4, and from this we get 4, so total there are 8 solutions. and in this way we can find all integral solution of this equation. So in this way we can solve this. So hope you like the video. If you like, please share and subscribe. We will meet in next.